everyone, welcome to my channel Plug It Up Finance. My name is Natalia and I'm a real estate agent and a mortgage loan originator. So in today's video, I'll be bringing you some home work from home job that is lucrative and that you will be able to, like I said, to plug it up your finance, to take charge of your finance. So in this channel, it's all about taking charge of our finance, finding ways to level up, finding ways to take charge and plug up our finance and to be whatever we want. So in today's video, I'll be sharing you a really good overnight work from home job that is paying $18.33 just working from home. So the company is called Signature Performance, and the best thing about it, not a lot of people know about this position, know about this company. So the overall company is to help healthcare workers, healthcare companies, is to make healthcare administration process um, better, because when it comes to your medical bill, 40% of it is mostly administration. So it help lower the cost of healthcare administrative cost by improving. I'm just reading off their blueprint, while improving the quality, access, and the cost of care. So this company is to help with healthcare costs and lowering down the healthcare costs, lowering down the healthcare bill by helping administrative. So the position, it will be an overnight. This is like an overview of their website. And the best thing about it, they have really good benefit. This company have really good benefits. So let me take you to the career side of it so you could see. And the best thing is the tuition reimbursement. So you'll be able to get tuition reimbursement. I'm not sure the qualification, how long you need to be there, and how many hours you need to put, but the tuition reimbursement is big, because I in my last video I share how student loan really do affect um you as a person, as an individual, to get approved for a mortgage loan. It really hinder your credit score. So if you are not taking care of your student loan, it will come back and hunt you when it's time for you to purchase a home or to get a loan, any type of loan. It does show on your credit. So the student tuition reimbursement is a plus. It's a plus that this company is offering it. And I'm not sure if you guys heard from this company or know. It's not well known like other companies, but it's there, and they don't have a lot of jobs opening. But the one that I want you guys to pay attention is the overnight position. So I'm gonna take you, so this is all the perks and the benefits they offer. So let me take you to their career. So you will need to scroll down to view open position, and from there you will need to type the overnight customer service remote. So this position is an overnight remote position, and it is home based, is work from home, and is 100% remote, and is nationwide. You could be anywhere in the US and be able to do this job. So that is a plus. And the best thing about it, there's not much requirement, because I will bring it to you. There's not much requirement needed for you guys to start. So the only thing, because this position is an overnight position, the only thing that I might see a problem is the training, is the orientation. They have an orientation in a 3 weeks from start of employment, and it's a training that you will need to do from 8 to 4 p.m., 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Then after, you can maintain your permanent schedule, which is the overnight schedule. So this job was recently posted July 1st, 2022, and today's July 4th, so I'm bringing it to you fresh. Um, yes, once again, this position is fully remote and is nationwide, and you can apply anywhere and you can work anywhere in the US, and it's overnight. And you just need to be able to make the training and the orientation. The 3 weeks training will be at 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. So let's look at the overview um, of this job. So what they are offering you, the Signature Performance Company believe in fully developing each one of our associates. So they deliver performance driven atmospheres with competitive pay, world class training and development classes, resources, and events, and award winning cultures to thrive in, and so much more. So what they offer is tuition assistant program. I mentioned that that is a plus, that is a bonus. And you have the 401k program with employers contributions, comprehensive healthcare insurance, competitive pay, and time off for sick and vacation time, no cost annual flu shot. That's the first time I'm seeing this, because it usually included in the health insurance, but that's a plus. 500, so that's the big part, is 500 signing bonus after 6 months of successfully employed. So on top of your pay you will get 500 signing bonus as long you stay with the company for 6 months. Wow. Yeah, so they really want you guys to sign up and apply and save in that position. If you think about it, they are training you for 3 weeks. They are investing 3 weeks. It might be a paid training, but after this, they want to be able to get that reinvestment back for you to stay longer, for you to stay up to 6 months. So you will get a 500 signing bonus after 6 months being in that job. And there's also a referral bonus. You refer a friend and receive $350. Even better, your friend will get an additional $150 bonus after 3 months. So once they apply, they get hired, you immediately get $350. And after 3 months, then being employed with the company, they will get $150. So yes, and after another 3 months, they will get another $500 as a sign bonus, which is really good, So they are wanting people to come and work. It seems like a really good company, and I really like how it's overnight. If you interested in having second job and want to be able to do something on the side, so that is another good position as well. And it's an overnight VA customer service representative, remote, nationwide, and it was just posted July 1st, 2022 at 11:35 a.m. I don't know why I say the time, guys, but hey, it's there. I just read it. Let me know what you guys think. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, I'll bring more of this type of job, remote job for you guys. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and press that notification, press that like. And so you can get notified when I post a new remote work from home job.